Fix iMessage activation error, Facetime waiting for activation. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix iMessage activation error, launch the settings application on your device and firstly toggle on the button for airplane mode and now scroll down and tap on messages. Toggle off the button for iMessage. Also, go back and tap on FaceTime and toggle off the button for FaceTime too. Now wait for a while and now go ahead and toggle off the button for airplane mode and then go ahead and toggle on the button for both iMessage and FaceTime one by one. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. You can also try to switch between networks, that is, if you are using Wi-Fi, switch to cellular, and if you are using cellular, switch to Wi-Fi. Also tap on General and then on Date and Time and make sure it is set to Set Automatically. In Settings itself, now go ahead and reset network settings. In order to reset network settings, in Settings itself tap on General and then scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory defaults. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now. Also check for iOS updates in your software update settings. Tap on General and then on Software Update and make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. The latest version is crucial to maintain optimal performance. And lastly, make sure your iPhone is not connected to any type of VPN services. To check, tap on General and then on VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN here. If you are connected, then go ahead and disconnect it and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.